How to upgrade Sora AI. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to be learning how you can easily upgrade your Sora AI account step by step. Upgrading your Sora AI account allows you to generate higher quality videos, longer clips, and get more credits for creating videos. So let's get started. First of all, open a web browser and type in sora.openai.com and search. Also make sure you are logged in using your OpenAI's credential to get into the Sora AI's Explore page. Once you're inside the home page of Sora AI, go to the upper right corner and click on the profile icon. Now, from the expanded menu that appears on the screen, select My Plan. Now, once you are inside this My Plan option, click on Manage Plan at the bottom. You will see the Manage Plan section from where you can select your plan according to your choice. You can choose to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus or ChatGPT Pro. The Plus version includes the ability to explore your creativity through image and video. Just go through the information regarding the differences between two different plans over here. If you select ChatGPT Pro, then it will cost you $200 per month, and it includes faster generation and the higher resolution for high volume workflows. If you choose the ChatGPT Plus, you will need to spend $20 per month. Just select one of the premium versions depending upon your choice and click on the Get button underneath each option that you choose. Once you do that, you'll then need to go through the payment process. Enter your payment details and confirm the upgrade. After upgrading, your account will unlock more video credits, better resolution, and longer video generation options. So that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.